They say you get what you pay for. So if I'm paying nearly as much as I would for a pair of Apple AirPods, do I get the same no compromise experience here? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech, and today we are taking a look at the Nokia True Wireless Earbuds. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now, you get the feel that this is a premium product just from the packaging itself. I'm not gonna bore you with the entire unboxing, but here's what we have inside the box. The earbuds themselves, a sleek metal carrying case, 2 extra sets of ear tips, a Type-C charging cable, and finally some documentation. So if you guys have been watching my review series of wireless Bluetooth earphones, you know what the next step is. Yes, it's pairing the left and right earbuds to themselves. Now the Mi AirDots were a downright pain to pair. The both AirDots were better, but the Nokia, now this was the best experience I've ever had. I take them out of their carrying case, they're already turned down and paired to each other. I search for the earbuds and within a second it is also connected to my phone. Impressive. But now it's time for the real test. How do they sound? Well, for such tiny earphones, I wasn't really expecting much, but the Nokia True Wireless managed to surprise me. The volume was good, it got loud but not ear-deafeningly loud like some of the other stuff we've tested. And then you have the bass. It's really great, not overpowering but strong enough that you can feel it. In fact, everything about the True Wireless is like that, balanced. We really enjoyed listening to all sorts of music with these pair of buds, and I can safely recommend it to anyone other than an absolute basshead. Unless these don't fit in your ears. Well, it was fine for me. My colleague had to swap a couple of ear tips and jam them in after getting them on the ear to prevent them from falling off. Once in though, they were pretty secure and the sound isolation is pretty good. Weighing in at just 5 grams each, both of these are light enough that you can wear them for long periods of time without really feeling any fatigue or discomfort. The build quality on these earbuds is also excellent. Despite the small size, they don't feel flimsy, and the physical button on each of the earbuds stand out and feels pretty nice and clicky. Now during my time with the device, I automatically learned to have the button pointing up while putting the earbuds in. Why? Because you'd be using it a lot since there are no touch controls on this pair. And that is something I loved. I hate having touch controls on earphones or even headphones. Like even with my Sony 1000XM3, I don't like it. I prefer the Bose QC35's physical buttons instead. So I kind of do like what Nokia offers here. One tap on either side to pause or play, double tap to increase and decrease the volume, and long press to skip tracks. It works pretty well. There's even a button combo, tap followed by a hold till a beep sound, that is to invoke Google Assistant. Now I didn't use that very much, but hey, if you wanna, it's there. And by the way, you can use either the right or the left button to accept as well as to check phone calls, and the call quality on these was better than any of the other ones I've tested before. I spent nearly half an hour in conversation and the connection was rock solid, never dropped out. Even the range was good thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Next up, battery life. At around 3.5 hours of real life music playback, it seems par for the course for earbuds like these. Now to charge them, you've got to put them in this amazing little case that can charge them 3 times, and I love how Nokia has provided a Type-C connector here. You also have status indicator LEDs. Now, you can see if your earbuds have been fully charged, and the middle one shows you the battery status of the case itself. As I mentioned earlier, the Nokia True Wireless comes in at 10,000 rupees, just 2,000 rupees lesser than the Apple AirPods, and it doesn't have any of that fancy pairing tech or touch controls, which for me is an advantage, but some like my colleague actually prefer touch controls, so that kind of boils down to personal preference. Anyway, the real competition to the Nokia True Wireless is the Bose SoundSport Free and even the Galaxy earbuds if and when they do launch in India. And keeping that in mind, the Nokia True Wireless Earbuds does a fairly good job. It sounds good, stays on the ear, and is pleasant on the eyes as well. So if you have the budget for it and you're in the market for a pair of wireless Bluetooth earphones, then this one gets a thumbs up from me. But that's just my 2 cents. Now I want to know what you guys think. Would you spend 10,000 rupees on wireless earbuds, or do you think something like the Mi AirDots are good enough? Also, do you think we should compare the Nokias with the Mi AirDots Pro? Let us know in the comments down below. And with that, it is now time I bid you adieu. Please share this video with friends and family if you can. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Also subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my daily content. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech. and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.